Yeah.
Phone?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, me and Apple. I can see Alex's Metro card almost in front of the lens. So if there's something in front of the lens,
It's not.
there you go. Now it's better. And Greg, he's working on some cool stuff.
Oh, what's he doing there? Whoa.
Don't talk for the audience, Alex. Nobody
What's he?
likes that.
Oh, Greg's being mean. Why is he being mean to Alex?
That's awesome.
Is it awesome?
I'll just keep it like that, right?
Yeah. This is like that. I don't know. It's great. Jeff's friend is nice.
We got some cool parodies coming. Thanks for coughing. We got some. Keep going. Some matches. We got some good parodies coming out.
On Apple, don't you care?
Do you need help?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Okay.
We got some great parodies coming out. You guys gonna love them.
So you just
Batman
stole. You
stuff.
pretended to cough so you could steal my line.
Batman stuff, some
Batman
Star Wars
stuff. Ooh, Star Wars.
Some Back to the Future stuff.
No, there's no Back to the Future stuff.
Is there? Okay, no Back to the Future stuff. I wish. Robert
Greg
Zemeckis.
wishes. Oh, Greg's in After Effects.
We did a collab with Robert Zemeckis that's gonna come out soon.
Yeah, right. It's called Back to the Future 4. This is One Take Wednesday. Oh. Look at that. Greg's keyed in a matter of seconds. He's a master keyer. Till next time.
See you next Wednesday.
Tune in Friday. We're going to have a new video out. See you then. Bye.